Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you the monogram logo design process start to finish. Draw any letters in this shape. So let's get First, I open my Illustrator and take my size. And open my drawing file. Take a shape and its copy. Now this shape, none for click. Then I use the shape builder tool and extra side remove. Now I use a line segment tool for its. Alt and delete extra side. Now color select and click for its. Use shape builder tool and remove other side. This color none for click and some radius it. Again, color for click. Now I select a path. And I draw it. It's okay? Then it's 4. Okay, now it's. Now, ike a shape builder tool and remove other side. Now take path for its. It is some hard, so be carefully. It's okay? And select and use a shape builder tool. Now, color selection. And it's for orange color. Oh, some problem. So I again some draw. Now it's okay. Then again, take a path. It's easy. Now it's 4. It's okay? Select a text. Oh, this logo is beautiful. Today video is end. Thanks for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.